Motivation is purely curiosity. Misunderstood aspect, I think probably the principles. Yeah. I think my personal knowledge is fairly limited, having lived overseas for more than 2 decades. So coming back, I'm deeply curious about what matters. In my opinion, I think it's a founding document, and I think it needs to be paid attention to every day. I think get curious and do the mahi. I think the fact that we talked about that there's 4 articles in the treaty, the 4th being around wairuatanga. So yeah, that was really interesting just to bring that concept in and to work that through. I think it's something not to be at all afraid of. I think it is just this amazing opportunity for partnership. So yeah, yeah. We've had phenomenal manaaki, just phenomenal hospitality today. It's been amazing, Brad, so yeah, thank you. Oh, I just think it's been, so the answer is yes, I would recommend. And just the chance to korero and to speak and to listen about these issues has been really valuable. And great people, meeting great people, and also just great content as well, so yeah.